Hello. I am definitely a bit rusty on the old vlogging thing. This is the first vlog I've filmed in like over a month. In that time I have moved back to Melbourne. I have been staying with family and family friends who kindly let me stay with them. I've been apartment hunting for like 3 weeks now, almost 3 weeks, and I officially signed up on a place today. I got the call this morning that we're sending my application to the landlord, and then I got the call that the landlord had accepted and they'd like to offer me the place, that once I pay my bond it was confirmed. So I literally like went straight out and got my bond ready and went and paid it because I wanted it. I'm already back at school. I've had 2 weeks back studying fashion design and it's going good, but I've kind of been distracted through all of my classes thinking about where I'm gonna live and like getting a house and apartment hunting. So I've finally got it sorted. I get the keys on Friday, it's currently Monday, and then I can move in this weekend and I'm so excited. The last time I vlogged I had really long hair. I've cut it. There's a video. You can go watch it. And yeah, welcome to a new vlog. Exciting things are happening. I look like a very sweaty hot mess because it is over 30 degrees today. But I am in my new apartment. So exciting. So I'm just gonna measure it up. I've checked the condition report and everything's good. And yeah, gonna hopefully move in tomorrow if I can borrow my cousin's car. And then gotta go to IKEA, get a bed, gotta get a fridge, all that fun stuff. Got an entryway. I just moved that wardrobe over a bit because I don't know if I'll keep it there. Got a little oven, got room for a fridge. And then this is the main room, this balcony out here. And then I've got a little bathroom. Just measured up everything to see what will fit so I can figure out what furniture to buy. It is Saturday now and today's moving day. I'm gonna borrow my cousin's car and unpack everything from my storage and try to move as much as I can today. I look significantly more disheveled. Since I last videoed, I've been to my storage. I have picked up everything. I have brought it to the apartment and my cousin has dropped off the couch. Everything's in and now I'm going to just unpack it and make it look good. Because currently it looks a lot like this. I still have quite a bit of unpacking to do, as you can see, but I think for tonight I'm gonna leave it there. I'm quite hungry and tired, so I think I should just stop before attempting to reassemble IKEA furniture and just, you know, call it a day. I think I've done pretty well. I've unpacked all my kitchen things. I still need to build this cabinet. I've unpacked my desk and my books. And that's all gone now. Yay! I'm so tired. I basically today came in and cleaned everything. Like the shelves, the walls, the floors. Give everything a good scrub. I cleaned all of my like kitchen things that had been in storage. And I unpacked everything, so tomorrow I'm going to IKEA with my friend Alana from uni, and then it will be livable. I'll be able to live here. So currently this is the setup I have for the room. I think I'm gonna try moving that table somewhere else and see how it looks like around that corner. Where I'm standing will be the bed, so it will be like a pull-out kind of bed. But the problem will be, will it intersect with that? We'll have to figure that out when we get to it. But yeah, this is what it looks like at the moment. I moved my desk and there's already so much more space. I'm not sure, this might be a good plan. Moved it around there, which means there's a little bit of a tight fit here. And the fridge will be there, so it will like open potentially into this frame. Might have to wait to see that, so there's a fridge there tomorrow. This could kind of work. It's turned around from how I had it before, but potentially I could get a slightly longer top and then I'll have like an extra cutting surface and a breakfast bar. And the next size up also goes to the edge. which would be handy because I don't need that. So, as you can see, I went to IKEA and also went to Harvey Norman. I have a little fridge. It's got a little freezer up the top. Should be good. So I've set that up, and then now I also need to undo the mattress. Well, I have 2 mattresses because I'm going to get one of those fold out beds, but I think I'm going to wait till next pay to get it. So at the moment I've just got the mattresses. As you can see from the first clip, I really struggled to open that mattress, and I just got onto the second one and there is a tear bit. I'm all unpacked, and I think what I'm gonna do, since the mattresses are still not that puffed up, they're still pretty flat, I think I might go stay at my family friend's house again since some of my stuff is still there, and then bring everything over tomorrow morning before class. Yeah, might do a quick IKEA haul as well of the things I got. Got a little holder for my toothbrush and toothpaste, as well as a little hand wash. Obviously the bed, I'll get the frame another time, and my duvet, which still need to bring my sheets and clean it up. I got these stacking stools, got cutlery and a little cutlery tray. Also got some chopping boards, all of my dinnerware and glassware. These ones I already had, but it's looking so nice. And obviously I got the fridge as well, and a little clothes dryer thing. I think the fridge will be good. I just needed a little one for me, so it's got a little freezer and currently water and no food, but we'll bring food. So got a few things in here. Some of them I already had, but the baking dish is new, the board and the colander is new. As you can see, I already had quite a few things. So just gonna hop onto the tram and head back. And I think I might stop at Kmart on the way back because it's next to the Coles, which I need to go to. And I do kind of want to get a toaster, so maybe I'll pop in and get that. And there were a couple of things I didn't find at IKEA, like a knife holder, so have a little browse. Sounds dangerous. I just got home from uni and I'm about to make dinner, but first I wanted to share my new exciting purchase for the apartment. A mop. Well, it's one of those like broom mop microfiber things that pick up all the dust and dirt. This is my alternative to having a vacuum cleaner because I don't have that much floor space, so I figured I'd give this a go. And it's really cute looking. It was just $10 from Kmart and I was very excited about it. Carrying it around uni, everyone was laughing, but yesterday while editing the vlog that I didn't really do a good ending to it, so I've decided to add in a little like mini tour of what the apartment's like so far. There's obviously like more stuff to get before I feel like I can do the proper apartment tour, but for now this will do until I get enough money to like get the little bits. I think I might do some searching in like thrift shops and stuff and see what I can find. So when you come in, there's a cupboard right here where I'm hanging up my helmet and my backpack. I also put in a rack. This was such a struggle to build. This little gap here is the perfect size for this rack, so obviously I couldn't like angle it in, so I had to kind of squat and hold it up and then screw all the legs in. But yeah, my wardrobe's in, it's looking good. I still need some more hangers because I've got some double ups, but I've got my suitcases in there as well, which is handy. So next to the cupboard is currently my skateboard with the modem on it. The internet is not connected. It gets connected on Tuesday and I'm so excited. So then come into the main room. So over there I've got my little bed, mattress on the floor set up. I've got my hat hung up and I've sort of started this little shelf. I feel like this third shelf is definitely not how I want it, but I'll work on that. The bathroom is pretty much the same. And then I've set up my little pegboard thing with my fairy lights. And I also bought one of the like $6 cushions from IKEA. Look how sad it looks. That is not a very stuffed pillow, so I think I might have to save up and splash out on one of the more expensive inners so it will look a bit better, but that's okay for now. And then my desk is set up here. I've got 2 little stools which you saw before. I kind of use one as like a bedside table and then one as like a coffee table kind of thing, but I usually store them under there when I'm not using them. Yeah, I kind of want to get a bigger top so it would come to here and a little bit further out this way, and then I can have stools either side of here for like a little breakfast bar thing. Kitchen's pretty much the same. Oops, I forgot to put this back. I moved that wardrobe over into this corner because I felt like it's kind of blocking off that entryway a bit over there. And then my little coffee toaster fridge setup. I still need to get pods for that. I have yet to go to an espresso store. But yeah, this is a little brush and shovel I got from Kmart. I think it's pretty cute. And yeah, that's what it looks like so far. That's my apartment. I hope you enjoyed seeing it and seeing the moving process, even though I didn't do the best job of vlogging it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you're not already. We will see you in the next video. Bye.